So single leg stance is, as it sounds, one leg, 1 foot on the SoleMate, and then just balancing. It is a little bit easier than some of the other exercises or stances in level 2 because of the leg free. But a lot of our life, especially walking and running, is actually spent on one leg. So being able to balance well on one leg is really important. And also having this leg free opens up a whole heap of different play-based drills and challenges that you can explore, which you will in the play section. But first things first is getting the 30 seconds straight, looking straight ahead, and then adding in those eye-head movements and no arms, no eyes. And then you can also, in that play section, you'll be exploring a lot of the hacky sack drills, which will obviously challenge your balance on one leg and then your dexterity and coordination on the free leg.